Welcome back, guys. So I wanted to finally create a follow-up to Stat Art project. I stayed up all night building this concept. We have a lot to go through, and this is going to be crazy. We're going to build an entire trading bot based on this. Now, if you don't know what Stat Art is, it's statistical arbitrage. This is how high-frequency traders, how quantitative hedge funds, how quant traders, they beat the market consistently. They are killing it with this one relationship that they're defining and building a bot around it. And that's what we're going to do. That's what we're going to start doing here. All right, really quickly, refresher on what I was talking about in that video. I was talking about the Z-score, which is a statistical measurement that describes a value relationship to the mean of a group of values. And I showed you an example of this. So say you got a basket of stock, options, cryptos, forex, whatever it may be, and they all have the same mean, meaning the same average, right? Say one is trading down, one is trading up. Because they have the same mean, you know they're going to always revert back to the mean or the average. So the one that's trading up, you would short it, and the one that's trading down, you would buy into it, knowing that it will go back to the mean. And once it goes to the mean, you close out on both positions, you collect your profit. Now, imagine doing this with a basket of crypto, stock, forex, futures, whatever it may be. That is how hedge funds and quantitative hedge funds kill it all the time. But your question that most people don't realize is, how do we know when it's going to actually revert back to the mean? And that is the key to what we're going to be talking about next. All right. Really quickly, one of the relationships that I was talking about in that video that's easier to grasp, my correlation. All right, I love using correlation. If you know me, you know I love using correlation. That is why if you see me buy SPY, you're going to see me buy Tesla. I do not look at the chart for Tesla. I know that it's positively correlated to SPY, so I know whatever direction I'm buying SPY, buy Tesla calls in the same direction. Same thing with QQQ. If you see a random QQQ trade on my slip, if you see a random AMD trade on my slip, you see a random Apple trade on my slip, if you see any Google trade on my slip, Microsoft trade on my slip, you already know it's because it's correlated to another stock that I'm buying options for immediately. And that could be in a negative and positive state. This is literally the key to most of my trades, my correlation matrix. This is the perfect statistical tool for trading. And this is how you do not leave money on the table. This is why I do not leave money on the table. I'm doing great because of this, all right? And there is a relationship above this that defines statistical arbitrage. And that's what we're going to build now. We're going to build a heat map for it first. And then we're going to build a fully automated crypto arbitrage bot and produce it live, test it and produce it live using Cloud Scheduler, which is a cloud project that will allow it to automate all of the processes within statistical arbitrage and crypto arbitrage for the trading bot. Now, when you guys are ready, we can get started right now. Ready? Let's get